My name is Graham Alexander. I'm the senior designer here at Southern Energy Management. Solar works with photovoltaic cells, more commonly known as PV modules, and they are the electric generating source. Those can be installed on the ground or up on the roof of a home or business. Those are what generate what's called direct current or DC power down to the brain or the hub of the system, which is the inverter. An inverter inverts it from direct current to alternating current, and that is how it is fed into the home. And here in North Carolina, anything beyond what the home needs at any given time is then sent back out to the grid as a credit. One of the critical pieces we install with our system is a remote monitoring system. It allows you to be able to see not only what the solar is producing, but also what your home is using. And that's a really valuable asset to know how to diagnose what's happening in your home. Be it from leaving lights on, to your HVAC needing a tune-up, your refrigerator going on the fritz. It allows you to get smarter about how you're using energy long before that bill shows up and you have to wonder how to get so high. At Southern Energy Management, we have 4 major design criteria. These include budget, aesthetics, goals, and energy usage. Every home is different, so we use these criteria to make sure we're providing the right custom solution for you. We're so confident in our design and install process that we guarantee the energy production of your system. When we talk about the budget of a solar system, we're looking at the turnkey cost, the net cost, which is the cost after the incentives, as well as the monthly and annual savings associated with that system. The aesthetics of the array are really important. While we want to maximize the efficiency, we want to make sure we're installing something you're proud of. The major reasons to go solar today are savings, energy independence, greater sustainability, and adding value to your property. Usage is important to consider in the design because it sizes the array for us. We're considering both historical as well as future energy usage. Looking at both of these allows us to size the array properly to give you the right amount of energy production. A lot of our clients ask about what the break-even of a solar system is. When you consider what the added value to the home is and the cost after the incentives associated with a solar array, you've got break-even from the moment that system produces a kilowatt hour. As you consider savings with a solar array, you're considering both the short-term and long-term savings associated. We look at savings on the first month a solar array is operational. It's anywhere between $50 and $150 a month. We also see added value to the home. When a home has solar on it, it is by definition cheaper to operate. And as more and more homeowners are looking for a home that's affordable, they're also considering what are the bills going to be in this home. And a home that has solar, reducing the energy cost of the home, is by definition more valuable because the total cost of ownership of that home is lower. When our clients are looking for energy independence, they're looking for more control over their future. They're tired of paying the electric bill on a monthly basis, and they want to be able to produce their own energy and rely on their own power rather than relying on a third party to provide that for them. We're a local company that has been here in the Triangle area for 20 years, and that gives us a leg up on most all the competition out there. Local means that we enjoy working in our own backyard, and we're going to be here for the long term. If the solar market changes, we're not going to disappear to another state. What that means for you is that we have a strong incentive to make sure we do your project right. Experience means we know how to provide what you're looking for. We know what works in the short term as well as the long term. Solar energy is a 30-year investment, and we want to make sure that your system is reliable and you can count on that clean energy for the next 30 years. We're not going to try to put you in a box and sell you something that you don't want. We're going to make sure we give you the right size system to meet your goals.